Let's make a shirt collar together. Stay to the end of this video because you'll be learning how to make a professional shirt collar.
We want to make a shirt collar, a standard shirt collar. I want to use this pattern paper to draft it. We have to fold our pattern paper has to be on fold this way. It has to be on fold this way, and this is our basic bodice block. We have to measure our neck line, the front and the back neck line. We will measure the front and the back neck line. This is the front. We continue the measurements from the back like this. So what we have here is 9 inches. What we have is 9 inches. So we'll put it aside. We'll be drawing a starting line for our collar. Like here is the starting line. So what we measure for both front and back, we have 9 inches. For the front neckline and the back neckline, we have 9 inches. So we're marking the 9 inches here. Seeing it upward this way, 4.5. That is 4.5 inches. Also mark the 9 inches here. This is 9 inches. Make sure we have a straight line. The same 4.5 we're marking here in order to get a straight line. I will connect this one also this way. We'll be taking the midpoint of this, which is 4.5 here. Here is the midpoint, half of it is 4.5. On this line, we are going up by 1 inch this way. I will connect here to here with our curve ruler. So we'll connect these points together like this. So this is it. From this end, we are marking 1.25. 1.25, you mark. You also measure to halfway. And from here, you are going up by 1 inch. Connect it straight this way. Connect it straight this way. I will now connect from here to here with our curve ruler. So we'll connect with our curve ruler this way. On this end, we are going up by 1 inch. Go up by 1 inch. On this end, we are also going in by 1 inch. We mark 1 inch here, and from this 1 inch we'll connect it to this one with our curve ruler like so. That's it. So this is the curve, and from here now we'll draw a straight line this way. We'll be making a slight curve this way. Just make a slight curve. Make a slight curve here. From here, we'll be measuring 1.75 like so. This is what we're having here, 1.75. And from that place, we are measuring 3 inches this way. We just mark 3 inches, and with our curve ruler, we connect it to this. We connect it like so. So this is it for our collar. So this is the collar stand, and this is the collar itself. So these shaded parts, we'll be cutting them out. We'll be cutting out all these areas. So shaded place, we'll be cutting it out. So let's cut out. So we have cut out the shaded area. This is our stand. This is our color. For you, you must make sure you notch. Make sure here and here they are matching.
Notch.